Hello y'all, Chef Jeffrey back with another video on Old School Soul Food channel for my YouTube subscribers and Facebook also. Today I'll be making something. I've been focusing on mostly holiday items the last couple of weeks, so this is the most go-to dessert I think that mine grew up on in holiday season. I made a lighter version of my sweet potato pie, but today I'm going to be making a real traditional sweet potato pie. I'm not going to skimp on the carnation milk. I have one video where I leave the milk out and it's more of a lighter pie, but this is going to be more traditional, old school sweet potato pie. Like I said in my last video, the potatoes are very important. The sweet potatoes that you get, and you can see all these are the same size, so they cook evenly. And I bake my potatoes. I don't boil them. Like I tell everybody, you've been following me for a while, I think if you bake them, it preserves not only the natural sweetness of the potato, but it preserves the color of the potato. When you boil a potato, it's common sense that you're boiling out all the nutrients, all the sugar, and you're depleting the color of the potato. So I like to preserve the nice orange sweet potato. That's why my sweet potato pies are so nice, bright and orange. And it has a natural sweetener too. So what I'm gonna do first, all I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna put them in the oven and bake the sweet potatoes off. Usually take about an hour, 8 hours or so to get them cooked. And then when we come back after they're done, I'm gonna let them cool a little, peel them out of the skin, and then we're gonna add the other ingredients that I have right here. But we'll be back in about an hour, and we're gonna put this thing together, put it in the pie shell, and bake it off. So we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back. Let's see here. Oh yeah, the potatoes are nice and they nice and soft here. Cook good. Okay, I'm gonna let these set up a little bit and get cool where I can handle them. And I'm gonna peel off the potatoes, put it in a bowl, and we're gonna put this together, put it in our pie shells, and we'll have sweet potato pie in no time. So we'll be right back after these cool. All right, y'all, we back here. Already peeled the potatoes. See how bright and orange these are? That's what you want. That's why I bake the potato skin. They so bright and orange and nice. That's why I always bake the potatoes in the skin. Okay, now what we're gonna do here, we're gonna mix this sucker up here. Get it going here. I add my butter in here because my butter needs to melt a little bit more, so the heat of the potato help melt the butter on the ground a little bit more. And the recipe is in the description of the video. And pretty much you just dump everything in here. That's what you pretty much do. There's no method or which one you do first. Brown sugar, granulated sugar. I use two kinds of sugar in mine. Cinnamon and nutmeg. Eggs in here. I'm gonna raise this up and kind of brush it down there. It's all mixed together. Off of here, all that goodness off of that. And when you bake them, it eliminates too a lot of string. You know how you get strings in your sweet potato pie that really just turns you off? When you bake them in the skin, it kind of eliminates the skin, the strings. and the milk. Whip it really, really good to get it all smooth. Got my pie shells here. And like I tell y'all, I pour bake my pie shell for like 5 minutes to give it that barrier between this and the pie shell so you don't get a soggy crust. You know, sometimes you get a pie, you have a soggy crust. That's because you didn't pour bake your pie shell. And a lot of recipes don't tell you that, but that's very important. To pour bake it for 5 minutes, the pie shell, it'll eliminate a soggy crust. Okay. Let me make sure I got everything fully incorporated here. Fully incorporated. Get all this stuff off the mixer here. All this stuff there off the mixer. I'm gonna let this beep for about 2 minutes and we're gonna be right back. Okay, y'all, we back here. All right. This thing is nice and smooth. Over here. Now, yeah, I got it all on my blender here. That's when I whipped it really. I'll clean that up later. But the same thing is to get it all nice and smooth. Okay, now, what we're going to do, we're going to pour it right into the shell. I like my pie really, really, really high. Real high pie there. A little bit more in this one. And that's it. I'm going to smooth this over a little. All right, now we're gonna put it in a 350-degree oven for about an hour. Put that in there. See how nice, bright, and orange that is? That's what you want. Okay, I'm gonna clean up here. I gotta mess my mixer up, but that's part of it. I did double the recipe. Normally I do one recipe, but I did a double batch. That's why it kind of was full. So anyway, I'll be right back. And we're going to see how it come out. Okay, y'all, we back here. Okay, let's see if these suckers are ready. Oh, yeah, look at that. Perfect. Nice, bright red color. See that color? See that color on there? Look at that. Nice and firm. Firm. That's how I check mine. I've been cooking pie so long, I don't stick no knife and all that in it. I just see if it's firm. But that's it there. We're going to let this cool for about an hour and a half, 2 hours. I let it cool naturally. Then I'm going to come back and we're going to slice one up and show you how nice and smooth. And I wish you could taste it, but you can only taste with your mindset. So anyway, we'll be right back. And I wish you could smell the cinnamon and nutmeg in there in here. But we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back. The pies is cooled here where I can kind of cut one of them up. I'm going to move this one over and we're going to cut this one here. We're going to see what we got here. Nothing like sweet potato pie. Okay. So I let them cool for about an hour. So we're going to see what we get here. Alright, now, first piece is always the hardest one to get out. So we're gonna see if I can get this out without breaking it up too much. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that big old piece of sweet potato pie. Can't go wrong. Got a little crust there. That right there. Look at that. Look at this. Look at that. That's how high. I like my pies very high. See that? Nice and thick. Let's try this here. Try this out. Look at that. Let me try a piece of this. Oh my God. Mmm. Nice and creamy. No strings, of course. Look. There's no strings in this pie. That's what baking the potato helps with. And I like my pie. See how high it is? I like a high pie. I don't like no thin pie. So, but anyway, try this recipe. Give this recipe a thumbs up. Please comment. Please subscribe to my channel. A lot of people watch the video, but they don't subscribe. I have hundreds and hundreds of more videos coming in the next months. So you don't want to miss out. So anyway, until next time, have a blessed old school soul food day.